Hey guys, so I want to show you guys what I have finished for the week. Okay, so welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia with Young 40 Mom Crafts. I'm going to show you what I have finished. And what I do on my channel is a little bit of everything. Mostly crochet. I used to do a lot of cross stitch, but I don't do cross stitch like I used to. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys, if you are a subscribed member, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, please think of subscribing to my channel. I do a retro where I talk about all kinds of stuff, cooking, nutrition, idle chit chat, questions of the day. I do that. I put up those every Wednesday and Sunday at 5:30 Eastern Standard Time. And then I come on here and I have 3 giveaways every month. But I am actually going to start, probably after the first of the year, start having quarterly giveaways instead. It's getting to be a little bit too much for me to keep up with. So I've done it for 2 years now. I'm going to back off a little bit, and I'm also going to give away bigger groupings of prizes. Probably have the same amount of stuff, just only once every 3 months. And also when I hit like milestones, I'm still waiting to get that 1,500. So if you guys don't mind, please share this. Share it with your friends. Get them subscribed to my channel, and we will have a huge 1,500 giveaway. So anyway, all right. So let me show you what I have completed this week. I got on a scrunchie kick because scrunchies are popular. This was... So let me show you what I made first. So this is a hat I made. I created this pattern. I am very happy with the way this has turned out. It was a size 5 chunky yarn. I can't remember what. You guys know, those of you who know Ramsey, I'm going to have to turn this light on so you guys can see this better. All right. So yeah, so there you go. That one turns out better. So it's kind of like got a speckled yarn. That's the way it came out. All right. Hang on. All right. I can't stand for me to be on camera. Can't stand it. So this is Ramsey, guys. Those of you who don't know, he's my little 6-pound chihuahua. He's a mess. It's 5.5 pounds, 6 pounds. You can't stay up here. I gotta film. Okay, bye. Okay, go. All right, so I had a little bit of yarn left. This took almost the whole skein, and I want to say it was loops and thread yarn, and I can't remember the colorway, but that's my tag. Sorry, I've been having sales. So I finished a hat. Pattern to come out soon. And with the rest of the yarn, I made scrunchies. So I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scrunchies. So I made this one. Oops, let me put them here. I've gone ahead and put tags on them. So there's this scrunchie and this around an elastic. I made this one. All the colors turned out different. And scrunchies are back popular again now, guys. I made this one. I ended up making 5 scrunchies out of what was left. And this one. And this one. It got away from me. So yeah, so black and white. And then kind of like a grayish color. And then another black and white. But they all turned out, every single one of them turned out different. Which I'm very, very happy with. And then I made a hat with this yarn with that same pattern that I made. And this was it said it was it's a loops and thread as well. It said it was a 4, but guys, this was a bulky 5. Like, it was thicker than the actual bulky 5 that with the black that I just showed you. But anyway, so this one turned out really good. I like the way that it's striped on its own. And with the leftover yarn from that, I was only able to make 1 scrunchie. Yeah. All right. Then I made this cute little burgundy looking hat. I think I did I want to say a V-stitch on that. Yeah, I did a V-stitch on that one. And then I trimmed it with a single crochet. And I'm writing out the patterns for these as I'm doing them so that I can share them with you guys. I've got a basic pattern where I start out and then I add different stitches to the round, and I'm going to go over that with you guys. Hopefully it'll probably be after the holidays, maybe sooner, I don't know yet. And here is one similar again, starting out. And I think I already showed you guys this one, or maybe I filmed it and just have it my tag. I put tags on everything because I sell everything. Yeah, I think I already filmed this one. I just haven't showed you guys. So I did finish the sunflower hat. So here it is. Right? So I'm really tickled with the way that turned out. That is a different stitching from the other. Finished the sunflower hat. Yay. And yeah, did I tell you guys, a friend of mine wanted me to make a scrump for her for one of her grandbabies for Christmas. So I did my attempt at a scrump. I watched a couple of videos, and then I kind of came up with my own thing for the majority of it. I used different kinds of buttons. But if you guys don't know, Scrump is the doll that Stitch in Lilo and Stitch, Lilo and Lilo and Stitch was carrying around when she said that was her only friend when the girls dissed her. So I made a Scrump. You guys will have to go see. I'll insert a picture after this to show you guys what Scrump is supposed to look like. This is a very bang up version of a Scrump, but it's close. So she's happy with it. I'm happy that she's happy with it. So she's going to get it, and it's kind of really small. So there's Scrump. But that's what I've worked on this week, guys. I have finished my lives. Let me turn this back off. I have finished my lives on my Facebook page. I am done with that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a meet and greet locally for, to sell some more stuff for Christmas. And hopefully I'll be able to eliminate some of my inventory. But then I get to making more stuff, and I was like, I don't have my donuts put together. I don't have my avocados put together. But you know what? I'm not going to fret about it. I have only one bag of body parts left to put together. And then I'm done. I'm not going to do body parts anymore. I'm going to finish what I start. I have a whole paper box full of bears. I've got one full of jellyfish and octopuses. So yeah, I'm done. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a fabulous weekend. I've got to work tomorrow. This is Saturday night. I should be out singing karaoke, but I can't if I'm going to be worth anything tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead and do a random giveaway at the end of this. So if you will stick with me and you've made it this far, then please participate in this if you're interested. And yeah, I'll go ahead. And this is going to be worldwide. So hold on just a moment. All right. So for this month's other giveaway, I'm going to include embroidery stuff. And I'm going to write that down here shortly. So the first thing you're going to get is a pamphlet called All in Stitches. It says iron on patterns, but I think you probably have to go. You probably have to go get it, but I'm going to include some. So this is All in Stitches. This doesn't have, it's an idea, I guess, because I don't see, it doesn't have the iron on patterns, but it's ideas on different ways that you can incorporate iron on patterns for embroidery. This one is called Case in Point. It's Embroidery Kit Projects. And it's different ideas. Again, these are idea sheets. And then, well, there's the same, I think, the sheep. No, that's a cow. Again, some embroidery idea sheets. Here's something to do with embroidery floss. It is Take a Strand is what it says. And in this, again, it has some great ideas on different things that you can do with embroidery floss. So you get that. You'll get this called Crafting with Yarn. different little ideas of what you can do with yarn. Well, I didn't want to open up. Got pom-poms, bracelets, little tassels. Here's something. There's different ideas, bracelets, different ideas of what you can do with yarn. Let's see. Here's something with a pattern on the back that you can do, like a wreath and necklaces. I think I saw that's dream catchers, and then here's something that you can cover your cords. I've done that before. It keeps your cords from getting tangled up. I have done that with earbuds. What are those called? Yeah, just earbuds, I guess. Isn't that what you call them? Anyway, all right, hold on just a second, and I'm going to show you guys the iron-on transfers that are going to come with this. All right, if you guys have seen my iron-on transfers before, they come folded up in 8x10 sheets, but it's actually a full page of iron-on transfers. And you can cut them out individually to use whichever one you want. Here's a pelican. Let's see. And then there's a ship and a bald eagle. And then this one says fish hole. And there's a guy carrying ice cream. So you'll get this one. You'll get this one with, looks like it's got a palm tree. I've cut out some of them myself. There's a palm tree. This one says popcorn. This one says beach bum. And there's a, that looks like a turtle. I can't even, what the heck is that? A duck? What's a duck? Does that say chocolate? That says chocolate. That's got a chocolate kiss. They're backwards, of course, because they are iron-on transfers. You can put them on fabric. You can put them on cross stitch. You can do embroidery with them. You can do all kinds of stuff. If you just Google, you can find it. And I believe I've got 2 more pages I'm going to include in this. So you're going to get the 4 pamphlets, and you're going to get 4 sheets of iron-on transfers, and I'm going to include some random floss. It will not be DMC floss, but it'll be random floss so that you can make some of these projects, like if you wanted to embroider or if you wanted to make some of these craftings. All right, this one's got some Indian. Here is a, it looks like a wolf howling. Oh, there's a wolf howling at a moon. There's, let's see, I showed you the Indian. There's a cactus. There's a couple of cactuses. And then sometimes you'll see like these little tiny ones, a little tiny bear. So if you wanted to do something small, here are some, oh, there's Indian pottery. Yeah, so you get that one. And then last but not least, you will get this one. It has Count Your Blessings, which has got sheep. And then it's got, oh, here we go, sewing. What does it say? It's backwards. So what with a question mark? More Indian. Oh, there's a Chinese woman. And then some of them are upside down. I'm trying to get them all. That looks like a prairie woman, maybe. Oh, there's some geese. And oh, here's a real pretty horse. And like I said, what you do is just cut them out. And use them. But yeah, and I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to include some random floss with this. So this is going to be this month's other giveaway. And I will do the drawing the first, well, the weekend of the New Year. Yeah. And then I will start having them randomly. I will have a January giveaway after these 3 giveaways for the month of December. I will have a January giveaway, and then I will do them quarterly. So I will do quarterly giveaways instead of monthly giveaways, but I will have 3. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching. What you need to do to, you need to be a subscriber to my channel. You need to give this video a thumbs up. And you need to, in the comment, leave me a comment, but you need to let me know, please, 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 make sure if you want to be in this giveaway, you have to leave me a comment, and it has to be the comment that I request. If you're not interested in entering the giveaway, you can still leave a comment. Just say, I'm not interested in the giveaway, but thank you so much. Or just let me know. But what I want you to do is let me know what you would do with these items. What would you do with these items? What would you make? What would your imagination take you? Where would your imagination take you on what you would do with the iron-ons, or what you would do with the pamphlets, or what you would do? What kind of ideas do you have in your head with this stuff? It helps my creative juices flow, and you never know what might pop up in the future. I might be able to supply some of that stuff. You never know, but I want to know what you guys would do with it. So let me know. Thumbs up. Be a subscriber. Please share if you can. I would appreciate that. I am on almost all social medias down below. Click on those. That's not part of this giveaway. You don't have to do any of that, but I'm just saying. Anyway, so yeah, thank you for being part of my life. Thank you for sticking with me this far. Good luck to everybody, and I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you watch my retros every Wednesday and Sunday, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you very much. I'll see y'all soon. Keep it real.